of COVID with mass testing, quarantine, and snap lockdowns. It's just hurt millions of people. It has its own vaccines, which are not as effective as vaccines in the West. And they've also not been very successful. Hey everyone, welcome back and thank you for clicking. So this is 5 a.m. here in Accra, Ghana, and we're driving to the eastern region of Ghana. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Lillian. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the bell notification, put it on the undersized or so that anytime I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. So, but for my returning subscribers, hey, hi, darlings, welcome. I love you. Thank you for your support. I appreciate everything. So our meeting point was supposed to be Accra Mall. Me, Mr. Calvin, my new boss, yes, and other staffs and other people that are going with us to see his farmland. You know, in one of the videos or the very first video you may have come across on my channel of Mr. Calvin interview, where he talked about the things that he intends to contribute to the country, like some of in terms of agriculture. He talked about it in that video. And then the truth is, before that interview video, he had told me about that place, and he already fixed a date to be on the 3rd of December. He asked if I would want to come and see, and I'm like, yes. So that was even why we're freely talking about it in that interview, because why not? Of course, I was going to go there and see the place. So today is 3rd of December, and he's that kind of person that says something and he keeps to it. He asked if I'll be able to, and I'm like, yes, I will be. I would like to. Why not? And you all know that I love traveling, especially this comfy one, like traveling so comfortably with a car. You know, you don't have to jump the bus and so on, like that soft life type of trip. Yes. So guys, that is what happened. Like, I am following him to the site to see his intending farmland, like his farmland he already bought, and surprisingly he want to add more to it. He can afford it, why not? And the lands are available at the time of this video, so it was only fair. And he's buying this land from genuine people, from the genuine owners. Okay, so don't worry about it. It's not like he's somewhere sending money for people to buy land for him. No, he's in Ghana. He knows what he's doing. He knows the chiefs. He knows the right authorities. Okay, so I'm super duper excited for him. I was so hungry and there was no way to buy food. All of a sudden, my boss's car had a flat tire, so I just looked around and I saw where I could buy food. I'm glad I bought. You guys do not believe that it's only Accra that is expensive right now. I know there's no money in the country, but other places life is still fair. All this food, including the takeaway pack, for just 7 cedis, it is super duper fair, like super fair. All of it. I mean, the fish, the wache, the takeaway pack, the spoon for 7 Ghana cedis. Okay, who does that? Nobody. So I'm glad that some parts of Ghana people are still, smiling. Things are still, in order for them. So yeah, but we in Accra, we are too rich for that, right? I'm joking. Okay, so guys, now we are done. The tire has been refixed. I mean, the spare tire has been fixed. So we are driving straight to my boss's new land. I never had opportunity to do a road trip on Akosombo. So today presented itself, this rare privilege, because I have been to Akosombo before. I could not do a road trip video because the day I was going there, it was, it got dark along the way, so I couldn't film. So today I'm doing that. Guys, on our way, I noticed there were a lot of monkeys on the roadside and stuff. So when I asked, they said there's a reserve forest around here. So when we are coming back, I'm definitely going to take you guys there. So but then I do not want this video to be too long. Okay, this is not going to be too long. I like to have my road trip videos separately. The next video you're going to see here on the channel tomorrow, by the special grace of God, is my boss's land. Okay, you're gonna see it. Mr. Kevin is someone that says something and keep to it. I don't judge people by how they treat me, okay, alone. It's how they treat other people around them. This man is here to stay. This man is good. He could afford not to work. He can just decide to just be and live his best life. But here he is doing things back to, for the motherland, doing for people, building the future of other young people, myself included. Me having to get like a part-time job with him is something. It's a contribution that he's making also, you get it. And I love all the young people working under him, and all the engineers that will be working on the side, all the people that will benefit one way or the other. Is all doing this for all of us. I'm super duper excited to be part of this, guys. So I was praying that we go to Akosombo. So I'm hoping we get to Akosombo. But let's watch and see how the thing go. So yeah, this is my road trip experience with my American boss and other people that we riding with. This trip is that soft life, where a car come pick you up in your house, take you to where you're going and bring you back. That is the softest life you ever find on YouTube. Thank you. No cap. Oh my goodness, I think I'm becoming something else sometimes. I don't know. Please, when I do that, I'm joking, okay? I don't mean it. I don't brag. There's nothing to be bragged, okay, yet. I am still, trying my best to be happy, like to live a comfortable life. I'm nowhere near there, okay? But then I like to play with the future. I like to just, assume that I'm in the future, okay? So guys, we are still going. I am still praying that we get to Akosombo, because I miss Akosombo so much. If I ever get there again, the types of videos I'm going to do, even the president of Ghana will look for me to give me a trophy. Guys, the way I love this town, the way I love Akosombo, is something else. Not because I understand her characteristic, no, but because of her physical beauty, unavoidable beauty. Her beauty is not hidden. You just see it, bam. As you see, she presents herself like that to you. She presents herself to you like that. So I was wishing, I even at some point, asked the driver if we're going to go to at least Volta region. We're going to pass Eastern Volta and go to Volta region. So yeah, but then I don't know. Let's see how the thing go. So, but then if you want to see my boss's land, please be here tomorrow, okay? That video is definitely going to be up by tomorrow on this channel. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you know anybody you want me to meet that is not a Ghanaian, or that moved from another country to Ghana, please let me know. And they are doing exceptional things in Ghana. I would love to meet them. It don't necessarily have to be America or any part of the West. It could be anybody from within Africa, or a Ghanaian who has been outside of Ghana for a very long time. I want to see Ghana through their eyes. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.